Your society.
Yeah, Pistol Pacino. I know there's a couple bars and all that, man. I'm about to kill him. I got something though. I hope these niggas understand me fully. Everybody got something to say about the bully. Niggas got me hot when really I was coolin'. Cause Pac got 10 and Spills got 20. Even in jail, motherfucker, I was stunting, cup of coffee bagged up. I could show you how to hustle. Pulling niggas' cars, I could show you how to shuffle. My brother on the Greyhound, guns in the duffel. Trust me, y'all don't really wanna scuffle. Man on the moon, I could put you on that shuttle. Fuck your J, nigga, put your face in the puddle. Shoot you in your tricep like, nigga, fuck your muscles. And you could do dips on that, yeah. I told her put her lips on that. It's like, rah, when the Chevy stopped, you niggas already shot. I'm back inside the kitchen, niggas chefing up the bed, he cried. They begging for a hit of this, All my exes like, damn, you on this shit again. Yeah, and you should really see a bitch face when I cut through, looking like a motherfucking bank. True religion dreams in a crispy ass tank. Krispy Kreme ice, watch the nigga looking crazy. Pistol P, bet.